Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the night stream. And we're gonna do something a little different here today. We're gonna be doing headline reads. In the Streamaverse. I'll come up with a catchy title, but we're gonna go through. We're gonna skim through some of these headlines on what's going on Twitch and YouTube and all this kind of drama that encapsulates the Streamaverse. So, without further ado, where are we gonna go? We're gonna go on to Certo. Why? Because Deserto loves this. Deserto lives off of this type of content. Thank you, Deserto. But, hey, you know what? Let's get right into it, okay? Here are the headlines. We have Kai Cenat finally met LeBron James and fans already want a collab. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Haven't really watched Kai. But, you know, hey, you're doing great things in Elden Ring. Awesome. What do we got? Nickmercs returns to Twitch, addresses ban using transphobic slur. We have Pokimane, I'm sorry, sweetheart, reveals she's going through interesting breakup. Oh, man. Oh, I'm so sorry, Pokimane. What's happening with you? With long-term partner. What's happening? Pokimane opened up with fans about a breakup she's going through, and first for the Twitch star, who's known for keeping her love life on the down low. And honestly, I will credit you on that 120%. You know, there's certain things, man, that you just kind of want to keep to yourself. And relationship with somebody, definitely keep to yourself. But what else do they have to say? For the last couple of years, she hasn't been focusing on streaming, instead choosing to pursue other avenues of content, like making vlogs on YouTube or recording episodes for her podcast. Don't tell anyone. Hey, listen, smart, right? I'm not going to bash that. But what's going on? Where's the juice? What's going on? Frankly, this breakup feels different than past ones. When you're in the mid to late 20s. Oh, you're in mid to late 20s. Sorry, I'll explain why I'm laughing. And when you start envisioning a life with someone, speaking about marriage and kids and really being in the headspace of planning your future, and then they all kind of dissolve, it's a lot to process. Oh, I'm so sorry. I was in a relationship for almost 8 years. Be with somebody, wanted to marry her and everything. That didn't work out. Sweetheart, people have it a lot worse than you do. So don't tell me about being in your mid to late 20s like, woe is me, because you still have a lot of freaking time here. That's why I'm laughing. She's got so much time. Like, I'm sorry, I don't feel bad. But what was it? This is a good one. Her embarrassing experience with dating apps. Dating apps, if you get lucky, met a couple people that ended up finding their wives on. And good for them. They got really, really lucky. It's kind of a luck of the draw, a lotto, and bit by bit. What is she saying? First and foremost, women like Pokimane and women that look like her generally are not on dating apps. Don't expect to find a girl like Pokimane on a dating app. And if it does, if a girl is as attractive as her, it's most likely someone who's fake. So just letting you know. But what did she say about this? Viewers, an embarrassing dating app story that she had applied to join a membership-based community. Dating life has been when was this? July 7th? Okay. Wait a minute. She just broke up and now she's on dating apps. See, this is the thing. She's realizing that this is content. When you're somebody as big as Pokimane, you realize, and especially if you're vlogging and stuff like that, this is content for her. Oh, I'm just breaking up, and you're immediately jumping into dating apps. Red flag for me. Now that's just you creating content. Actually, I'm not even going to read the rest of this. You guys want to see this? You can kind of already know where this is going. This is useless. Completely useless. What else do we have headlines here? Nickmercs have to say. Banned from using transphobic slur. Let's see here. This was on the 8th. For this recording, this was posted today. but you're going to see this uploaded at a different date. On June 28th, Nickmercs received his first Twitch ban for using what he described as a derogatory term about transgender people, claiming that he wasn't aware that it was derogatory. I didn't know. Well, what was he saying? Oh, tranny. Banned for using the. Oh, I'm not. Ooh, I shouldn't have said that. Now, good luck if you're actually watching this video. Maybe it broke through the YouTube's algorithm because I used a bad word, unfortunately. Apparently, this is a bad word. Banned for using the word trans. You know where I'm going. On Twitch, apparently that's a derogatory term. That's on me. Next time I'll use mental health disorder. Man, he doubled down. Double down. While hateful conduct bans are typically 30 days long, Nick was back on Twitch 10 days later. Well, you know, Twitch does this. You know, girls can show their bums. They could show bare bum cheeks. And get banned for 3-4 days. I've seen it. I mean, the bums and the band. So I mean, sometimes you gotta see it, right? But so there's favoritism in Twitch. Like he got off. What did it say? He was banned for 10 days. I didn't effing know, man. He said during his return to stream, I didn't know. They were saying it's like it was the N-word. I didn't effing know that. Why would I? Come on now. So they banned me for a week. To be honest, it was good timing. I was going to Vegas. Oh. Yeah, I mean he doesn't hold back. Nickmercs lately has not been holding back. Oh, we have the Hawk Tuah girl. Let's talk about the Hawk Tuah. Haley Welch denies industry plant claims after Hawk Tuah phrase goes viral. Oh, so let me see here. I'm assuming that she's denying claims that she's an industry plant in a new video. Because, okay, so sometimes, and it happens more often than you think, a lot of this viral stuff goes viral because it was planned. You can't ordinarily go, we're going to create a video and we're going to make it viral. That loses all authenticity. It's not really viral. You can kind of imitate it, you know, pay for it to be advertised and whatnot. I don't know the marketing tricks for this. So they're just saying Hawk Tuah, her little catchphrase was like some sort of industry thing that suits got together in a room, right? Saying that, oh, we're going to make this go viral. It doesn't really work that way. If you get lucky, then yeah. But moving on to this, in June 2024 viral clip, Tim and D TV showed an interview talking to a woman on the streets of Nashville, which Nashville is awesome. Nashville is a great, great place. Almost lived there for a little bit. During the interview, a question sparked a now viral Hawk Tuah catchphrase that took over the internet. Now, you know, spitting on a... this is the state that we live in. I mean, love it or hate it. Right? Cute girl gets famous for talking about spitting on a stick. A stick. I mean, replace ST with just the letter D. You know what I'm talking about. And now she has all these all these opportunities. You know, this is how Hollywood works. This is how entertainment works. What do you have to offer me? And in return, I'll offer you something. Right? Anyways, days of searching revealed the Hawk Tuah girl was Haley, who remained rather quiet during the podcast with YouTube Brianna LaPaglia and rejoining social media. There have been claims from various users online that Welch is an industry plant due to her sudden rise in fame in the viral sense. This is what happens when people get that big and viral. Hey, you know, carpe diem, seize the day, strike while the iron's hot. What does she say? I'm not an industry plant. It was not planned. She said every bit of it was just there right there in the moment. She said I had to ask what an industry plant is. Well, we already explained that. So Seize the day. Haley Welch, maybe you can create a legacy that's a bit more than being viral on spitting, making a term on spitting on a stick. And good luck to you and your future endeavors. Good for her. Really, honest. I know I'm sounding facetious on that, but what we got here? We have IShowSpeed says he paid $50K for car damage by his fans. I'll outwardly and honestly say I don't really care for most streamers. Vast majority, maybe 90+% of them. I used to stream quite often and then realized I don't really want to classify myself as a streamer because I don't respect most of them. This one is just bottom of the barrel. And part of that is his little NFT scam too. Okay, let's take a look at this. Streamer revealed eye-popping amount of money he spent after fans damaged vehicles during his chaotic tour of Europe for the Euros tournament. This is what he wanted. This is what he wanted to create. This is content for him. So, worked out really well for him. Top streamers. In fact, he's so popular he got mobbed by fans on occasions, which, to be fair, don't put your hands on people. But again, this was great. I'm sure afterwards he was like, awesome, this is great content. People are going to make news about it. Someone ripped off my hair, blah, blah, blah. This is great. Again, this is just what he does. The Speed spoke about the money during yet another stream when a fan rushed up to his car and began banging the window, which you shouldn't do. Angry Speed yelled at the viewers, stop, says he spent $50,000 to pay for vehicles damaged by his viewers. I don't believe a damn thing this guy says. Did he pay for something? Maybe. Was it $50,000? Show us the receipts. But then again, why would you? You could show the receipts and just mock it up. Here's the reason why I have no respect for this guy is he's knowingly part of an NFT pump and dump scam. CoffeeZilla, by the way, which this guy is great. CoffeeZilla, if you ever watch his YouTube channel, he deep dives into this stuff. And so, before making this video, I saw that IShowSpeed was up here. So I just brought up a few things. Back in 2022, he was helping promote crypto. It was like a crypto game by a company called Paradox Crypto. So I'll just read this. Scam was uncovered in late 2022 when the project founder released a fake video of Cristiano Ronaldo promoting the coin. A fake Cristiano Ronaldo lookalike was brought onto YouTube, IShowSpeed's live stream, to promote the coin. Most of these type of, again, NFTs, what's a pump and dump? Somebody like IShowSpeed, to all of his millions and millions of fans and subscribers, presents this crypto. He gets crypto. I don't know if that's how it worked for him, but generally the people that have the NFT and whatnot will give them a certain amount. And as his fans buy into the NFT price raises, and then they dump the NFT at its peak, makes tons of money, and then everybody else, then it just drops. This is, it's a pump and dump. That's what happens. So people who spend all this money and it rises, and they're like, we're going to keep it, and then it just drops to basically nothing. So, yeah, and then he apologizes. He apologizes here. This is funny.
Y'all don't know what I do for y'all, bro. Let me just give y'all a quick little quote.
He acts like
I do so much stuff for y'all, bro. I made a mistake. I'm not that smart, I'm gonna be honest, bro. But as I go, I get smarter and smarter, bro. I made a little mistake, that I wish I never did, but I'm not a scammer, bro. A day of my life, I would never scam you guys. Just remember that, bro. A day of my life. I care about you guys so freaking much.
Oh, look at the gas.
I love y'all so
this is
much,
called
bro.
gaslighting, by the way.
In my family.
Yeah, you love your fans because they're the ones that give you the money. And You have to show like you care. This is like sociopathic behavior, by the way. This guy said it the best. 1, scam audience. 2, get bag. 3, apologize. 4, gaslight. Well, I think that's the only, I thought I was going to do, I can go into just live streaming all these ridiculous drama news that has zero impact on my life whatsoever. But I can't stand most of these people. It's all, I mean, listen, to be fair, Speed's fans were giving him calling scam right away. Okay. I'm not going to attack any of these. If you like Speed, fine. You know, if you like Pokimane, fine. If you like Nickmercs, fine. I do not care. I do not watch any of these people because Nickmercs actually I've watched a bit of, but Pokimane, all these IShowSpeed, they're all grifters, man. It's all fake. All fake stuff, and everything is content, no matter what it is. I saw the Kai Cenat stuff where somebody snuck onto the property. Yes, he did care. Also, don't do that. Respect people's privacy. You have to do that. Also, he was like, great, I have some content now. So, this is the world that we live in. We get so bored that we we watch these streamers. I don't, but maybe you do. And maybe, listen, maybe they're there for you. Maybe the entertainment, I guess, the value for you is great. But just be aware. Most of these streamers are actors, acting, overreacting. I got plenty of other stuff I have to do in my life. So, hope you enjoyed this drama of this week of the drama in the Streamaverse. Am I gonna? But what do you guys watch these streamers? Is there a streamer that maybe other people should watch? I'll tell you right now. A good streamer to watch is Jackzilla. He is by far one of my favorite streamers, and you should definitely go and watch him. He twitch.tv/Jackzilla. He's awesome. Streams a lot of Call of Duty. He's really, really good. I've had him on my podcast before. Definitely check him out. He's actually worth watching. He's authentic. But rest of all this other stuff that the news is reporting on, I mean, do yourself a favor. Maybe find some streamers of higher quality. But hey, that's all I got. That's all I have to say. You know? First episode of the drama and the Streamaverse. First or last, I don't know. Let me know. This is turned out to be one of my longer videos. So if you have stayed around, I'd appreciate if you click that like button, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Appreciate you. That's some news. Talk to you soon.